Are you using New Outlook scheduling poll to collect the best meeting dates and times, but you've been struggling on setting that end time? Well, you're not alone, and you'll be glad to know it's not you. It's the UI design. It is not easy to find, and I'm going to show you how to set it up properly. Let's get started. I have my calendar event open, and notice by default, it's going to default to the current date and time, and I'm going to select scheduling poll. The way you want to do this is choose the date that you want. Do not do it from add a new option and select a date. This will not work very well. What you want to do is navigate to the sidebar calendar, which is the day view. Go to the date, select your time. Notice that you can adjust the time by moving the slider up and down, and select new option and press enter. And notice that I will have my time, full hour. Now, again, what we've done in the past is we would click on add option. We will choose a date, let's say the 15th, and we select a time, 10 o'clock. And because the last one was an hour, it automatically defaults to that end time. But let's say that we wanted this to only be 30 minutes, right? And so when I accept that, I go to the 15th on the calendar and I don't see it listed here. So that's incorrect. The best way to do it is to come to that time slot, adjust the slider to 30 minutes, and add an option, press enter, and that's how you add the correct end time. Microsoft has received a lot of feedback about the end times not being very intuitive. Leave in the comments what other changes you would like to see to scheduling poll. Now, if you're not familiar with scheduling poll, make sure you watch this video for the full tutorial. Now, go work your magic.